In the previous class, I taught you how to find out the LCM of the given number by repeated division method. Today also, I shall teach you some more sums based on repeated division method. Now let's do the sum. Now in sum number 8, you have to find out the LCM of 39, 52, 91 and 156. First you write down the sum. Now you see children, first you have to divide this sum by the smallest prime number 2 because there are two even numbers 52 and 156. So divide it by 2. Now 39 is not divisible by 2, so you have to copy it down without dividing it. 52 is divisible by 2, 26. 91 is not divisible by 2, so same, you have to copy it down without dividing it. 156 divided by 2, 78. Again you see children, there are two even numbers are there, so they are divisible by 2. So again try with the smallest prime number 2. 39 is not divisible by 2. 26 is divisible by 2. 30. 91 is not divisible by 2. 78 is divisible by 2. So 39. Again children see, 39 and 39 both are divisible by 3. So 39 divided by 3, because in this row, none of the numbers are even numbers, so they are not divisible by 2. So you have to try it with 3. So 39 divided by 3, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. 91 is not divisible by 3. 39 is divisible by 3. 30. Now children you see, now try with, now these numbers are not divisible by 3. Now try it with 5. These numbers are not divisible by 5 also. Now try it with number 7. Yes, 91 is divisible by 7. So 13 is not divisible by 7. 13 is not divisible by 7. 91 is divisible by 7. So how much you are getting? 13. Now 13 is not divisible by 7. Now see, all the numbers of this row are divisible by 13. So 13 ones are 30. So 13 divided by 13, 1. 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 So LCM equal to, so you have to find the product of the prime factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. So now you multiply 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84 into 13. Now you multiply it in the rough, 84 into 13, 4 3s are 12, 8 3s are 24, 25, 4 1s are 4, 8 1s are 8. So 2, 9, 8, 9, 10. So 1092. So answer 1092. Now let's do the next sum. So you have to find out the LCM of 21, 33, 63 and 77 by repeated division method. So first you write the sum. Now see, all the numbers are odd, so it is not divisible by 2. So next to try with the next prime number, that is 3. So yes, 21 is divisible by 3, 7, 33 divisible by 3, 11, 63 divisible by 3, 21, 77 is divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. So copy it down without dividing it. Now again you see, by 3 it is divisible, yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So 7 divided by 3. No, 7 is not divisible by 3. 11 is divisible by 3? No. 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, you are getting 7. 77 is divisible by 3? No. Next, you try it with 5? No. None of them are divisible by 5. Then 7. Now 7 divided by 7, 1. 11 is not divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 77 divided by 7, 11. So, numbers of this row are divisible by 11. So, 11 divided by 11, 1. 11 divided by 11, 1. So, LCM equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 11. So 9 into 77. 9 7 is 63, 9 7 is 63 plus 6 693. Now children, let's do sum number 8. So first you write the sum 42, 56, 108, 140. Now you see all the numbers are even, so divide it by the smallest prime number 2. 42 divided by 2, 21. 56 divided by 2, 28. 108 divided by 2, 54. 140 divided by 2, 70. Again divided by 2 because 28, 54 and 70 are divisible by 2. So 21 is not divisible by 2. So copy it down without dividing it. 28 divided by 2, 14. 54 divided by 2, 27. 70 divided by 2, 35. Again divide the numbers by 2. 14 divided by 2. How much you will get? 7. Now you see 21 is not divisible by 2, so write 21. 14 divided by 2, 7. 27 divided by 2, no. 35 is divisible by 2, no. Again, now see these numbers are not divisible by 2, so try to be 3. The next prime number. 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. 27 is divided by 3, 9. 35 is not divisible by 3. Now children, again 9 is divisible by 3. So 7 is not divisible by 3, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, 7. 9 is 9 divided by 3, 3. 35 is not divisible by 3. Next, again try it with 3. So 7 is not divisible by 3, 7 is not divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, 1. 35 is divisible by 3. No. Next, you try with the next prime number 5. So 7 is divided by 5. No. 7 is divisible by 5. No. 1 is also not divisible by 5. 35 is divisible by 5. Yes, 7. Now all these numbers are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 7 divided by 7, 1. Now take the LCM. So take the product of the prime factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24 into 9 into 7 5 are 30, 7 5 are 35. So 24 into 9, 9 4 are 36, carrying 3, 9 2 are 18, 19, 20, 21. Now into 35. 6 5 are 30, 5 1 are 5, 6 7 8, 5 2 are 10, 6 3 are 18, 3 1 are 3 4, 3 2 are 6. So 8 plus 8 16, 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 1 7. So 7,560, answer 7,560. Now let's do some number I. So first you have to find out the LCM of 44, 55 by 65 and 154 by repeated division method. So first you write the sum. First you divide the numbers by 2. So 44 is divisible by 2. Yes, you are getting the answer 22. 55 is not divisible by 2. 65 is not divisible by 2. 154, yes, it is divisible by 2. 77. Now, again 22 is divisible by 2. So, 11. 55 is not divisible by 2. 65 is not divisible by 2. 77 is not divisible by 2. Now, you next to try with 3. None of them are divisible by 3. So, try it with 5. 11 divided by 5. No, 11 is not divisible by 5. So, it will be 11. 55 divided by 5. 11. 65 divided by 5. 13. 77 is not divisible by 5. Next, you divide these numbers by 7. 11 is not divisible by 7. 11, again 11 is not divisible by 7. 13 is not divisible by 7. 77 is divisible by 7. So, it will be 11. Now, next you try with the prime number 11. So, 11 divided by 11, 1. 11 divided by 11, 1. 13 is not divisible by 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. Now, try it with 13. So, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 11 into 13. So how much are we getting? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 27s are 140 into 11 into 13. So 140 into 11 3 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 16, 3 number 3, 4, cross 0, 4, 5, 1. So 0, 2, 0, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 2. So 20,000, 20. Answer 20,000, 20. Now children, let's do sum number J by repeated division method. First you write the sum 44, 55, 33, 121. So first you divide them by 2 because in here 44 is divided by 2, so 22. 55 is not divided by 2, 33 is also not divisible by 2, 121 is also not divisible by 2. Again 22 is divisible by 2, 11, 55 is not divisible by 2, 33 is not divisible by 2, 121 is also not divisible by 2. Next, you see all the numbers are odd, so they are not divisible by 2. So try with the next prime number 3. So 11 is not divisible by 3, 55 is not divisible by 3, 33 is divisible by 3. So 33 divided by 3 you are getting 11. 121 is also not divisible by 3. Next, you try with 5. So 11 is not divisible by 5. 55 is divisible by 5. 11. 11 again not divisible by 5. 121 is also not divisible by 5. Then next try with 7. None of them are divisible by 7. Then try with 11. Yes. 11 divided by 11, 1. 11 divided by 11, 1. 11 divided by 11, 1. And 121 divided by 11, 11. Next again divide them by 11. So LCM equal to, you have to take the product of the prime factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11 into 11. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 into 11 into 11, 121. So now multiply them. Also verbally also you can multiply them, children. First 0 put 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, carrying 1, 6 1s are 6, 7. So answer 7,260. Children, lots of sum you have done by repeated division method. So it will be very easy on your part now to understand the steps. Step 1, select the lowest prime number to divide. Step 2, while selecting the lowest prime number, make sure that it divides at least one number. Step 3, if a number is not divisible by the prime number, copy it down without dividing. Step 4, continue to divide till the quotient of all the numbers is 1. Step 5, the product of the prime factors is their LCM. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.